Hi everyone, I'm Carol and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this beautiful holiday makeup look. So let's get started. First I'm using the Nivea cream to moisturize my face. Then I'm going to spread it out evenly all over my face. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. And I'm going to apply a generous amount all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out really well. First I'm going to blend it out using my fingers, and then I'm going to blend it out using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation brush. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I'm going to blend it out really well. Next I'm using the Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette to fill my eyebrows. Now I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Eye Color Desert Rose eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the darker shade in this palette. It is a reddish brown. Apply it all over the eyelids. Now I'm using the Lakme Insta liner, and I'm applying a simple wing on both my eyes. And then I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Kajal for my waterline. Then I'm using the L'Oreal Lip Tint as a blush. Now I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara for the lower and upper lash. Now I'm using the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dance With Me. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder or Illuminator on my nose, on my cheekbones and my cupid's bow. And then the look is finally done. To complete the look, I've used the Fresh Look Grey lens. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments below what you want to see in my next video. And I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.